Good morning. Here is my very realistic morning routine. I often start off my morning by watching hours of TikTok. After about 10 minutes of procrastination, I do force myself to get up and head to the washroom and brush my teeth and wash myself. I don't know why I looked so grossed out there, but whatever. Now I'm just turning on my shower. I don't think you need a tutorial for that, but I just turn it to the left so it gets really hot. Apparently this day I got back into bed, not sure why, but you'll see me stressing out about course enrollment, which is always fun. When I finally convince myself to get out of bed, I usually make it right away so that when I come home at night, I feel like I actually did something. Here I got dressed and was inspired by Steve Jobs and The Rock. Then I proceeded to just do my makeup like I do every day and watch YouTube videos. So I didn't want to show you a detailed look because I'm pretty basic. It's not for me to say you love. Then I went to Starbucks to do some homework, and that was the end of that morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry this video was super last minute. I just had this in my video archives and I thought I'd show you. Make sure to like and subscribe and let me know what videos you want to see in the future in the comments. Have a good week.